Hello, this is Josh Geiler of Green Scene Home Inspections, doing inspection on a home. It's a pier and beam, as you can see the vents down here. But as I was coming around to the side here, you can see this expansion joint, and you see there's been quite a bit of movement. As I go up, it just separates. It gets wider and wider towards the top. And then as you can see, this window over here has kind of separated there towards the top. So it takes quite a bit of movement to do that. Also, a little bit further down on the brick over here, we've got a good deflection crack. So this is on the north side of the home, so there's been quite a bit of movement on this side of the home. This is the type of things that we will notice when you choose Green Scene Home Inspections. Thanks, have a great day.